Imagine a world where farmers can monitor their crops from the comfort of their homes, using drones equipped with the latest technology. Welcome to the revolutionary impact of agricultural drones on crop monitoring and management. In an era where technology is reshaping every aspect of our lives, agriculture is not left behind. Drones, once popular in the military and recreational sectors, have found a new home in our farmlands. They're transforming the way we grow food, from sowing seeds to harvesting crops. These high-flying devices come fitted with advanced sensors and cameras, serving as the farmer's eyes in the sky. With them, farmers can now monitor crop health in real time, detecting pests and diseases before they become a major problem. But it doesn't stop there. These drones also help optimize irrigation and fertilization, ensuring each plant gets the right amount of water and nutrients it needs to thrive. The future of agriculture is here, and it's hovering above our fields. But why are these high-flying machines becoming an indispensable tool in modern agriculture? Let's delve into the reasons. Drones equipped with sensors and cameras are revolutionizing agriculture. They bring efficiency and precision to tasks that were once time-consuming and labor-intensive. Picture this: a drone effortlessly glides over vast fields, capturing detailed images and data on crop health. It can detect pests and diseases early on, allowing for timely intervention and preventing significant crop loss. Moreover, drones can accurately assess irrigation needs, helping farmers to optimize water usage and avoid over- or underwatering. This not only conserves water, but also ensures that crops receive exactly what they need to thrive. Furthermore, the ability of drones to cover large areas in a short time enables farmers to monitor their crops more frequently and make data-driven decisions. This results in increased crop yields and more sustainable farming practices. The drone is not just a tool, it's a farmer's new best friend. So what are the key points about the use and benefits of drones in agriculture that we need to remember? Let's break it down. First off, drones are revolutionizing the way we monitor crop health. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, they can capture high-resolution images and data to provide real-time insights into plant conditions. This means farmers can detect pests and diseases early on, preventing significant crop loss. Secondly, drones are changing the game in irrigation and fertilization. By accurately mapping out the field, drones can identify areas that need more water or nutrients. This precision agriculture approach optimizes resource use, reducing waste and boosting yields. But the real game changer is how drones are transforming the entire agriculture industry. They're not just a tool, they're an integral part of the farming process, providing farmers with a bird's-eye view of their fields and enabling smart, data-driven decisions. In the age of technology, farming is no longer just about the plow and the tractor. It's about embracing the sky-high potential of drones in agriculture.